favorite thing about NUMOA is the collaborative organizations that we have that organizes different events open for all departments. For example, I am from optometry, but I'm able to join COCO, I'm able to join pageants, and I think it led me to affording my education here, and I'm thankful for that. So, ayun, enroll now.
The one thing I like in Enyomoa po, which is yung pagiging inclusive nila sa aming mga third gender. Even hindi pa po nila napapasa yung uniform but pinapayagan na po nila kami long hair, lalo na po kami mga tourism.
I love their facilities. It's very clean. And also, yung mga professors nila is very approachable and tinutulungan talaga nila kami when it comes to our studies. And if may inquiries kami, syempre, sinasagot din talaga nila. And also, most importantly, yung mga nakilala kong friends, they helped me throughout my journey here, through my ups and downs.
My favorite thing about the NUMOA community is the people around here. People around here are friendly, warm, and can be outgoing and can be down to earth naman din. Tapos my favorite place naman dito is yung garden kasi fresh air naman. Fresh air. Tapos maganda rin yung view. Kahit na madaming tao palagi.
I guess my favorite thing po here sa Enyo, especially is yung community po. Like, napaka-vibe. I mean, kuhang-kuha po ng Enyo yung lahat. Like, yung environment, napaka-healthy po. As of now, like, marami po akong friends dito na sobrang ka-vibe ko po. Hindi po ako nahihirapan makipagkaibigan sa kanila. That's the good thing about Enyo po.
I guess the friends and the relationships that I've built here during my years or like during my time here in NU, I guess I've made a lot of friends and I made a lot of good relationships with my prof that I'm thankful for. Kaya I really like it here in NU.
Siguro for me, yung the best na gusto ko sa NU is yung very healthy environment within sa relationship ng faculty and ng mga students, especially sa College of Dentistry. Yung mga professor kasi namin very approachable, very understanding in kapag may mga request kami, ganyan, talagang tinutupad nila. Ganyan. So yun yung feeling kong maganda sa inyo kasi kumukuha sila ng mga employees na hindi lang parang ginagawa nila yung work nila as work lang. Kumaga parang with the heart yung ginagawa nila na merong care sa mga student, ganyan. So yun lang naman.
Nasa TV na tayo po.
Ano po, si Sir Emil po. Shoutout Sir Emil. Tapos ano po, yung ano po, tawag ito, yung pagkain po dito, sarap. Dito po, daan lang kayo dito. Tapos si Buleria po, yun. Tapos si, ano po, favorite ko po si Sir Elton din. Yan, favorite. Tsaka kayo po, mga students po, nag-interview, favorite ko po yun. Thank you, thank you.